Good morning, Facebook. I'll wait for a couple people to get on. Good morning, guys. My name is Debbie Johnson, and I am the owner and operator of the Sterling Fork. I make freezer meals and help people take back their lives one meal at a time. I just wanted to come and get with you guys real quick today and let you know that we will be resuming the social club in January. I've had so many people get a hold of me and ask me when we're going to get back to it, and super excited about it. So I wanted to get back with you and let you know that we will be resuming on January 10th. Will be the next social club, the first one of the year. So we're going to be doing that, and it is limited to the first 10 people due to space constrictions. The first 10 people that sign up and prepay. So we will have that January 10th, and we do the social club about every 3 weeks. If you have never been to one of the social clubs or you've never heard about the social club, what the Sterling Fork does is I open up my home and people sign up, and I pick three dishes, and people come and assemble their dishes, and we have snacks, and we visit, and it's just a really fun time to spend time together and meet new people, have great food, and then you take your dishes home with you. And we do that about every 3 weeks. So, like I said, the next one will be January 10th, and it is limited to the first 10 people. So what we're going to have, I'm going to give you the menu on what we're going to be doing that week. That particular one, we're going back to, excuse me, still fighting that. We're going to be doing a chicken sheet pan supper with tons of veggies that you throw on a sheet pan and roast in the oven. A customer favorite, the chicken enchilada casserole. We're also going to be assembling that, and a really super popular one, the mango chili chicken that is available through the Sterling Fork, is also going to be a dish that we're going to be doing on the 10th. I'm also gonna try to do something new. I've had so many people say to me, Debbie, I just can't do Thursdays. Thursdays is just really hard for me. I really want to come, but I can't do Thursdays. So what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna make it available for you to message me and get some of your friends together, and you can book your own private social club. We'll do it, probably schedule it for a couple weeks out, and then you can do what works for your schedule. Excuse me. So I wanted to let you know, I'm going to open that up because I really feel like there are so many people that want to come, but they just can't on Thursdays. So I made a little penguin cup. Isn't he adorable? I just love him so much. So we're gonna do that. I would like to make it a minimum of 4 people for the custom social club for the schedule your own. Just because it makes it much harder to put on a good club if it's just one person. So feel free to call up your girlfriends and say, hey, let's get this together and let's do it. So and I will work with whatever scheduling that I need to work with, and we'll try to get it put together. Like I said, there's just so many people that have gotten a hold of me and said, do you do any day other than Thursday? And I usually don't, because Thursday is my easiest day. But if we can make it work, then we're going to go ahead and have the schedule your own custom social club. So I just wanted to come back to you guys. I haven't been on live in a few days. Wanted to come back to you guys and just let you know that social club is back on the books. I'm going to be posting the event on the Sterling Fork page in just a little bit, and please message me and get signed up, because like I said, it is it's limited to the first 10 people that sign up and prepay. So I'm super excited for the new year to come. We're almost in April. It's going to be the Sterling Fork's 1-year birthday. I can't even believe it's gone so fast. And I just really, I appreciate everyone and their support and their love and people, you know, trusting me to feed your families. It just means more to me than you will ever know. And I appreciate it so much. You know, please, please, please. I don't know what's going on with Facebook, but the algorithms are not doing, they're just tanking posts. So Facebook Live is kind of becoming the only way to, right now, to get the word out and get things going. So if you see this and you think that my service has any value, please like and share. Please share this video. It helps more than you know. So thank you so much. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I really appreciate all your time, your love and support, all the kind words, and just keep coming back and sign up for a social club and come and visit with people and have great food. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.